Hey everybody, good afternoon. This is Scott McGregor at Scott Trades on Twitter with StockMarketMentor.com and your chart of the day. Want to take a quick look at the healthcare sector. This is the Spider Select Sector Fund for Healthcare, ticker XLV. Now, while the triple Qs and the S&P 500 are under their 50-day moving averages, we're actually seeing some pretty good relative strength in healthcare, XLV. And so I just want to bring your attention to the healthcare sector because this is one sector that's showing a ton of relative strength right now as it is holding up well and near its highs as it rides that daily 8 exponential period moving average. So whether or not you want to trade an individual healthcare stock or just trade XLV, I would definitely want to set an alert on this chart right around that 151.50 level. That's just under today's intraday high, and then look for a nice follow through to the upside, ideally coming on higher than average volume. Now that would be, if I zoom out here, that would be a new all-time high for the healthcare sector and could give you a nice long-term trending trade if that uptrend can continue during some of this market volatility. So that's just one of many sectors we're looking at tonight over at StockMarketMentor.com. If you want to see my full watch list, take a trial, click that link, and hopefully I'll see you on the other side.